Today's Thursday, August 24th. We're gonna go check out the rose apple in front of the yard. This is the front of the yard, and rose apples is blooming. Look at the flowers. My first year blooming. This one bloomed like probably 10 days ago. So I think it's forming fruits now. You see? Pretty excited. So this was about from seed, maybe 5 years old. I don't remember when I planted. Probably 5 years old. There are two trees in here. I plant them in the same container. So I have not transplanted them or anything. Still in the same container after 5 years. Looks pretty good. Finally, it'll be my first time ever to try this fruit, if it's gonna give me any fruits at all. So this one is an eggplant. I think it's a Thai eggplant. This chili, and this one here is onions, and then this is the bell peppers. So I got pretty much everything planted in pots because of gopher problems. So tomatoes are a bit late because I planted them late. And then this is another mango tree which I bought 3 years ago. I think this one is a phoenix. Hasn't grown much. Let's look at these bell peppers. Now I grew this from a store-bought bell pepper. It was a huge one, you know, humongous one from the store, from a Ranch 99. I bought it, and it gave me a whole bunch of seeds, and I just planted the seeds, and voila, these are the offspring of those seeds. And this one is my longan tree, which also started from seed. It's pretty big, still in a pot. Have not, repotted at all. Some herbs and chives. So this is the front yard. And I got a couple of Cherimoya trees too here in the front as well. Looks like a jungle. Feel like I'm in a jungle. Anyway, these are basically Cherimoya. Oh, here's a fruit out here. It doesn't seem to be doing that well in the front versus in the back.